Guys, uwi kami ngayon ng Quezon Province. So, ang oras ngayon ay 12:32. So, doon kami mag-Holy Week. So, let's go guys! So, ito guys, nabiyahe na tayo at ayan, medyo madilim-dilim pa ng kaunti dahil sobrang aga nga natin. At eto na, tiyanan, ang ganda ng sunrise guys. At maaga na siya, 5 or 6 na siguro yan dyan, ng mga oras na yan. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng mga puno, ng mga nyog, at may nadaanan kaming dagat. Ayan, sobrang ganda, ang kalma. Dito sa Quezon, ang pangunahing hanapbuhay ng mga tao ay ang pagkukupra. Puro ahon dito guys, mula Mulanay hanggang San Francisco, Quezon. Ayan, puro ahon talaga. Wow, ang ganda ng mga coconut tree tsaka mga banana tree. Wow, ang ganda. Feel mo na talagang nasa probinsya ka. Province life, my hometown. So andito na tayo sa bayan namin. Tulad ng sinabi ko nga kanina, na ang pangunahing hanap buhay dito ng mga tao ay ang pagkukupra, lalo na kapag habagat. Kapag kakalma naman ang dagat, pangingisda. Pero ang unang-una talagang hanap buhay, at dito na ako lumaki, ang nagpalaki sa amin ang pagkukupra guys. Sobrang ganda. Makikita nyo, ang madadaanan nyo, halos ay puno ng nyog. Sobrang ganda ng mga view. Makikita mo yung pormahan ng mga nyog ay pantay-pantay, parang nasa Siargao ka. Yun ang aking kapatid. Nagsundo sa amin, sinundo kami sa bayan. Kasi may bagong daan dito sa puntang barangay namin, puntang Puon. So ginagawa kasi ang kalsada dito guys, kaya hindi namin alam kung saan pwedeng dumaan. Kaya sinundo kami sa bayan. Wow, ang ganda ng ng cloud tsaka yung puno ng nyog. So sa mga oras na to ay nakarating na kami at eto ang aking hipag. Kumukuha siya ng mga damo at kangkong para ipakain sa kanilang baka. Kaya naman sasama tayo sa pagpapakain ng baka. Nandun yata sa taas yung kanilang baka. So ayan, pinipili nila yung mga kinainan ng uod. Chine-check nila kasi sensitive daw yung baka.
Bawal kasi may uti, baka mamatay pa ang baka. Paborito niya to, kangkong. Oh. Ilan ba ang anak ng mga baka? Isa lang talaga. Tanong marami. Unang anak pa yun. Alisin yung mga kinakain. Hindi, te. Titingnan lang kung may luod. Pero hindi siya alisin. Hindi, kaya naman niya
May
Ayan, magpapakain kami ng baka. Magpapakain kami sa baka pala ni Katrina. Ayan yung baka. Tingnan nyo guys ang view. Ito. Tapos ang view. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda.
Hawak ka mati. Hindi yan. Magpapahawak pa nga yun siya. Magpapahawak yan.
Hindi siya manuwag, no?
Hindi. Bait yan.
Ala. Mula sa
Lahi yan kasi ng baka ni Kay Giovanni. Kasi yung mga baka ni Kay Giovanni mababait.
Oo.
Merong baka na pag inano mo yung nagpapahawak.
langit. Ayun, kita yung ano dun, oh. Parang isang bundok. Oh. Ayun, oh. Ang ganda. Ito yung pugon. So magpalipad naman tayo ngayon ng drone para makita natin ang ganda ng aming lugar. Makita nyo ang Quezon.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
O, ayan na si Jojo, my brother. O, sige na. Ayan, titingnan natin kung may hulihan siya. Ayan, tingnan natin kung may huli si Jojo. Baka maano ka, tilay ha.
Amoy, kaluoy.
Kaluoy.
Oh, dadabit ko lang nga.
Kaluoy.
Kaluoy.